There is more bad news coming from the warm Arabian Sea for Goa and the west coast from Jamnagar to Mangalore because conditions are very ripe as shown on the windy satellite based software, my app, which is very accurate, better than IMD in some respects. That I am sliding this bar and now the bar is at 7 a.m. on Friday 23rd. What it means is the cyclone close to west coast around 400-500 kilometers north of Goa will start forming on 23rd Friday morning, and you can see it, the rotating winds converging at the center. And any red color, please remember that any red color indicates very high moisture or heavy rain clouds. So the closer these red clouds or red colors are to Goa or overlapping Goa, it means very heavy rainfall with thunderstorm, high wind speeds. So what is there for store for Goa in the coming 4 days? Let me slide this bar, which is the date and the time given, and you can see yourself how the colors change and the rotating cyclone is changing its direction and its position, and we can see how the different dark colors, yellow color, ochre color, orange color, they indicate concentration of moisture in atmosphere. So you see how now they are all converging to form a nucleus of a cyclone, which is not yet named, but in the due course of time the standard nomenclature will be there if it really becomes a cyclonic formation. So it is still a low pressure area on by Sunday morning, but now the condition looks very bad by Sunday 25th 7 a.m. And now we can see that more and more moisture bearing clouds, massive mass of these clouds along with rotating winds is converging at the center of that potential cyclone. And now this is the worst case scenario on Sunday evening. Very bad news for Goa and west coast from Jamnagar to Mangalore, that very bad situation. Anything is possible from this point onwards. So let us see what is happening, whether the cyclone is forming or not forming. Right now this is the position on Monday 26th. The cyclone is away, then it is moving away with dense clouds carrying lot of moisture. The red color indicates the amount of water in the atmosphere which is making that cyclone. Then this is a very bad scenario which is close to Goa, especially the wind and water bearing clouds which cause heavy rains. That is on Tuesday morning 27th. Then still it is not moving much away from west coast. It is 400 to 500 kilometers from west coast. We expect actually it to move towards Oman, but we don't know. Let us now slide the bar and see where it is moving. There is some relief here where it has moved away from west coast by Tuesday 27 5 p.m. but very slowly it is moving away. Wednesday 28 by 2 a.m. it is here somewhere in the middle of the Saudi Arabian east coast and India's west coast. And then further, now it looks really like a nucleus of a cyclone, and it is still perpendicular to Karachi, around 200 to 400 kilometers south of Karachi, an equal distance from Mumbai. And then Thursday 29th it is still forming. Then this is really troublesome. The wind is pushing it towards Gujarat coast, Saurashtra coast, and then it is slowly dissipating by Friday 30th. This is the scenario created by various types of weather models. So let us keep our fingers crossed. The more details will come on daily basis from IMD Goa Observatory and IMD New Delhi. You should keep track of those bulletins and take care during those next 23rd to 29th 5 days.